Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Oracle DBA Online Training. So in this session, I'm not talking about like anything specific to any topics. This is about like our recently launched Oracle DBA course that we have in my last tutorial. I have basically uh, basically I have provided you the detail about some of the basic details like what is the price of this course and some of the overview of the course. But I just wanted to provide you the complete detail about this course so that you can understand. I mean. What is this course and what it contains, what will be the price of the course, and what are the benefits of this course that you are going to get. Okay, so before we begin, I'll just request all the new friends to please subscribe our YouTube channel. So you are already getting a lot of learning stuff from this YouTube platform. We have covered so many different topics in our previous tutorials, and going forward, I'll be covering more such topics. And if you want any kind of personal training, please get in touch with me on these various social media platforms. And let me just walk you through about this course. So basically this course is about, this is a combination course where you'll be learning a lot of things like you'll be starting from the basics of the Oracle database, and later you'll be going through RAG database, and apart from that you are also learning about data guard. So it will contain the data guard stuffs, and going forward it will also have the patching and database upgrade details, and later you'll find out backup and recovery, performance tuning, and golden gate. So this single course basically it is a combination of mostly almost 7 different courses. And if you look at the price of this course, this is just only for 7,000 Indian rupees. And basically we are providing this course on at 30% discount currently. So before, if you are enrolling this course before 31st of December this year, that is 2021, then you'll be getting 30% of discount. And later, if after 31st of December, the price may increase again. So I'll request all the interested candidates, please enroll as soon as possible. And basically this course is a live recorded session, and in this course you'll be getting the all the study material that is required to be learn this course. Okay, so this is a single course where you will be learning a lot of steps. And let me show you more detail about this course so that you will be getting complete detail about like. So once you enroll this course, I'll be giving you Google Drive links. From there you can download our entire course. This is almost for 25 GB of course. And this course will be covering up different topics. So session wise I've divided all this course like we'll be going through the basics of architecture about the database, then you'll be learning about the database admin, and then backup and recovery course, and then data guards. And apart from that, you are also learning about the single instance data guard creation, then rack patching. Also you'll be doing the RAG database installation, configuration, adding, deleting the nodes, and golden gate stuff, performance tuning. And apart from that, you will also get some of the important links that is required to cover up this course. And let me just walk you through one of the sessions where you can get the more detail about like. So let's suppose this is the topic like how to upgrade the grid infrastructure. So here you will be finding out there are like steps which is required to perform this grid infrastructure upgrade. And also you'll be getting the pre-recorded video. Okay, so this way you'll in all the sessions you will be finding out the complete detail about each topic. And this will make you understand this course very easily, and based upon your convenient time, you can learn these topics very easily. Okay, so this course is structured in very systematic form so that everyone can learn, and they can increase their skills about Oracle database. So this is mostly targeted for the people who wants to, let's say any DBA who is working currently as L1 or L2, so they can basically jump to the next level like L2, L3, L4 kind of roles. Okay, so if you are interested about this course, please ping me on this WhatsApp number, or even though you can directly call me on this given contact detail over here. And this course, basically this will be very helpful course. I think you should go ahead and enroll it today without waiting too much for this. And going forward, price may increase, so please consider purchasing only at 7,000 rupees. Okay, so with this I hope you have understood everything about this course, and I'll stop here. And before I'll stop, I'll request all the new friends to please subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.